Welcome, everyone. Today's discussion will focus on how a mid-sized retail business can strategically expand AI initiatives. We'll cover planning for AI scale-up, key retail AI use cases, vendor solutions, growth strategies from real retailers, common pitfalls, and recommendations. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for moving AI from isolated pilots to a core part of your enterprise. The data is clear. Many retailers experiment with AI, but few truly scale it. Those who do reap outsized benefits. According to Accenture, scaled AI performers achieved more 3x higher ROI and significant valuation lifts. In contrast, most firms remain stuck in pilot purgatory, running one-off AI projects that aren't fully adopted. This is risky. 75% of leaders fear that without scaling AI soon, they'll fall behind competitors. Look, scaling AI is crucial. We must connect AI expansion to strategic goals and measurable ROI from the start. Scaling AI requires intentional planning. We recommend creating a comprehensive AI roadmap that aligns with your 3 to 5 year business plan. This means identifying priority areas where AI can drive value. For instance, personalizing marketing to boost sales or automating inventory to cut costs, and laying out a timeline for rollout. Don't treat AI projects as science experiments in IT. Tie them to P&L metrics and assign business owners. Successful retailers often appoint a C-suite champion, e.g., Chief AI or Data Officer, to oversee AI expansion. Also set up governance for data and model management. Crucially, measure outcomes. If a pilot improved forecasting accuracy by 20%, quantify the revenue gain and use that to advocate for broader deployment. A disciplined ROI-focused approach ensures AI expansion stays aligned with business goals. One high-impact expansion area is customer experience and marketing. AI enables segment of one personalization. Think Netflix or Amazon-style recommendations in your retail context. According to McKinsey, personalization done right can drive significant revenue uplift. And industry data shows up to 5 to 8x returns on marketing spend by using AI to tailor promotions. For a mid-sized retailer, this could mean implementing an AI recommendation engine on your e-commerce site or personalization in email campaigns. Many cloud vendors offer these as plug-and-play solutions. Additionally, AI-powered CRM automation can nurture leads across channels. Conversational AI is another quick win. Retailers are deploying chatbots on websites and messaging apps for customer support and sales, providing instant service and reducing call center load. The key is these AI tools learn from each interaction, constantly improving customer satisfaction. All these capabilities ultimately deepen customer engagement and loyalty, translating to higher sales. Beyond marketing, AI is transforming operations for retailers. Demand forecasting is a prime example. By analyzing historical sales, seasonality, and even external factors like weather, AI can predict demand far more accurately than manual methods. H&M faced chronic overstock, understock issues, and adopted AI to balance inventories. They significantly reduced surplus stock and lost sales. For you, better forecasts mean you carry the right products at the right time, freeing up cash tied in inventory, and delighting customers with availability. In supply chain logistics, AI can optimize delivery routes and warehouse picking. Walmart leveraged AI to pre-position inventory and streamline deliveries, cutting stockouts and speeding fulfillment. In stores, we see a push toward automation, robots that scan shelves for out-of-stock items, smart cameras enabling checkout-free stores, Amazon Go style, and more. About a fifth of retailers are already testing autonomous checkout, a sign of things to come. Lastly, fraud and security. AI is like a vigilant guard, identifying suspicious patterns that humans might miss. From flagging unusual POS refunds to detecting cyber intrusions, AI helps avoid losses and breaches. With retail fraud topping $100 billion globally, these AI defenses quickly pay for themselves by preventing shrink and protecting customer data. A successful AI expansion also means choosing the right technology partners. The good news is major tech providers have tailored solutions for mid-sized retailers, often available as cloud services, so you don't need massive in-house infrastructure. For instance, Google Cloud has a strong retail AI focus. Their recommendation engine, the The same tech that powers Google's own product recommendations can be plugged into your e-commerce with relatively little dev work. They even have an adoption framework to guide retailers from experiments to broad AI adoption. AWS similarly offers out-of-the-box AI for common retail tasks, personalized for product recs or forecast for demand. These services let you tap into Amazon's AI know-how without building from scratch. Microsoft Azure is often chosen by retailers integrating AI with Microsoft's enterprise systems or wanting robust IoT plus AI, like feeding smart shelf camera data into Azure Analytics, as seen in Marks & Spencer's projects. IBM brings decades of enterprise experience. Their Watson AI can be customized for your needs, and IBM's consulting can help overcome integration challenges. If you're running SAP or Salesforce, leveraging their embedded AI instead of third-party tools might be fastest. E.g., SAP's AI can natively improve your supply chain planning if you already use SAP. And underneath it all, there's NVIDIA. As you grow, you might use NVIDIA GPUs in the cloud or on-prem to train models or run heavy vision algorithms. They also offer ready solutions for things like store surveillance analytics. Listen, leverage these vendors. They provide scalable, proven AI components so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Choose based on your existing stack and strategic needs. Often a hybrid of several will be used. How do you institutionalize AI success across the company? It takes a deliberate strategy and structure. Many large retailers phase their AI growth. Year 1, prove value in one domain, say pricing optimization. Year 2, expand to supply chain and marketing. Year 3, integrate these capabilities and roll out new ones like computer vision in stores. They treat AI as a journey. A common thread is to set up a central hub, center of excellence, or at least a leadership committee that oversees AI projects across silos, making sure, for instance, that the insights marketing gains from AI are fed into merchandising decisions, etc. We saw how Walmart methodically implemented AI across inventory, store operations, and online commerce. No coincidence they're outperforming many competitors in efficiency and e-commerce growth. Starbucks is another great example. They didn't stop at using AI just for marketing. Their Deep Brew platform also optimizes labor scheduling and inventory at each store. The lesson is to think holistically. Where else can the data and algorithms from one successful AI project be applied in your company? Lastly, ensure your AI strategy is omnichannel. Customers don't think in silos. They expect a frictionless experience. AI can link channels, for example, by synchronizing pricing, inventory, and customer profiles in real time. So whether a sale happens online or in-store, the AI learns and responds. The big boy in retail use AI to deliver this kind of seamless omnichannel journey, like recommending an item online that a customer tried on in-store yesterday. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also maximizes the return on your AI by leveraging it across all touchpoints. Don't get me wrong, expect to encounter challenges, but each has a solution. Data is often the first hurdle. Many retailers find their data is trapped in silos. Web analytics separate from POS data, separate from loyalty data, etc. In fact, mid-sized companies are more likely than anyone to suffer silo issues as they grew without a unified data strategy. The fix is to treat data as a strategic asset. Invest in integrating your systems or implementing a data lake warehouse where all key data funnels in. This might mean cleaning up legacy data and setting up governance so new data is consistently defined and high quality. It's foundational work that pays off across all AI projects. Next, tech integration. AI won't deliver value if it's not woven into workflows. If your inventory management system is old, deploying an AI forecasting tool is tricky. Rather than waiting for a full IT revamp, use APIs or cloud services to bridge gaps. For instance, use a cloud forecasting service that exports results back into your legacy ERP via API. Many mid-sized firms successfully bolt on AI this way to legacy systems during transition periods. The people side is equally important. There's often an internal skills gap. Your analysts might not know data science, and your IT team might be new to MLOps. You can address this through targeted training and by hiring or partnering for key expertise. Also anticipate employee concerns. Involve end users early. Show them how AI tools will make their jobs easier, e.g., a store associate getting automated replenishment suggestions. Driving a culture that embraces data will ensure adoption. Cost is another perceived barrier. The answer is to start small and leverage cloud economics. You don't need a multi-million-dollar budget up front. Identify a use case with clear ROI, implement a cloud-based solution, and use the benefits to fund the next phase. This incremental approach also proves the concept to any skeptics. Finally, governance around ROI and ethics. Assign someone to track ROI on AI projects just like any investment. Celebrate and publicize wins, e.g., our AI chatbot deflected 5,000 calls, saving 100K this quarter. For governance, it's wise to have guidelines. For example, how you use customer data in AI, and ensuring algorithms treat customers fairly. This avoids pitfalls and builds trust. By acknowledging these challenges and proactively managing them, you'll smooth the path for AI expansion and avoid the common pitfalls that sideline many AI initiatives. In wrapping up, here are our 5 big recommendations. First, always tie AI to business value. This might sound obvious, but projects often fail when they're cool tech in search of a use case. Instead, identify a pressing issue, e.g., inventory write-offs, slow customer service response, declining same-store sales, and see how AI can specifically tackle it. This alignment will naturally bring executive alignment and clarity on ROI. Second, get your data house in order. Think of data as the fuel. If it's dirty or siloed, even the fanciest AI engine will sputter. Many successful AI-enabled retailers say their early investment in a robust data platform was the key to scaling later. Recall that 90% of CEOs who invested in data infrastructure report it enabled further AI scaling. Third, scale through iteration. Pick one use case, prove it, scale it, then move to the next. This agile approach yields momentum and avoids analysis paralysis. Fourth, focus on your people. The best AI strategy will flop if your staff doesn't adopt the tools. Make it a positive, inclusive process. Train your people and involve them so they become champions of AI rather than feeling threatened by it. And fifth, get help where needed. The AI landscape is complex. Vendors bring inbuilt retail AI solutions for personalization, forecasting, etc. that can save you time and money, and consulting partners, like us at HIGTM, bring hard-won experience to navigate pitfalls. This can compress years of trial and error into months. Combining internal domain knowledge with external AI expertise is often a recipe for rapid success. The window of opportunity is now. AI is no longer a moonshot reserved for tech giants. It's a practical toolkit that mid-sized retailers can and should harness to stay competitive. We encourage you to take stock of where you are in your AI journey. Perhaps you've run a few experiments or implemented a new AI software here or there. The next step is to tie these efforts into a cohesive expansion plan. Think big, but start with concrete next steps. Maybe it's scaling that pilot that worked well in one region to all stores, or consolidating your customer data to enable better analytics. In this presentation, we've highlighted success stories and best practices to guide you. If you feel you could use expert guidance, HIGTM is here to assist. We've helped companies like yours navigate the technical and organizational challenges of scaling AI, with a focus on achieving quick wins and sustainable results. Our call to action is simple. Don't let this knowledge stay on paper. Engage with us for a one-on-one consultation where we can dive into your unique situation and goals. Together, we can chart a path to make AI a driving force in your growth strategy. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering on your AI journey.